Hello friends, welcome to JavaFX 3D tutorial. In this video series, in this sub-series, we are going to see transformation, and in this very first video, we will learn about the basics of transformation. In JavaFX, transformation is relocating a point in 2D or 3D coordinate space. So that's what called transformation. Relocating a point in the sense a shape or a node can have multiple points. So those points can be transformed in 2D or 3D coordinate space. So we call that as a transformation. JavaFX provides following transformation. The transformations are translate. Say for example, and let's assume that the Z coordinate space is pointing towards you. So in translate transformation, let's state that you have a circle. You can transform that circle to a new location. So we call this as a translate transformation. So this is the old location, and the shape or the node is transferred to a new location. So next is the rotate transformation. In rotate transformation, you can rotate an object. So let's state that we have a rectangle object here, or rectangle node, and you can rotate this rectangle about a pivot point. Say for example, if the pivot is towards the center of this rectangle, and if you rotate this rectangle, it will get rotated as so. If you see here, the object is rotated based on the pivot point. So this is the actual rectangle. So we can also rotate an object about a different pivot point. So if it is not here in the center, and if we state that the pivot point is here, then the rectangle will be rotated like this, keeping this as a center. So there are two kinds of rotation possible. So self rotation based on pivot point, and if you rotate, the object will rotate based on this pivot point. But if we have pivot point at a different location, the entire object will get rotated on this way, because here pivot point is at a different location. So if you draw a circle using the compass, and that defines the path for the rotation, but here this will be a self rotation as pivot point lies in the object itself. So next comes the scale transformation. In scale transformation, we can scale the shape, or we can scale the node. Once again, we will consider the rectangle. So let's state that we are scaling this rectangle in x and y direction, and the scale factor is 2x. So the object will be scaled. So this is the new one. So the old rectangle will get scaled on both x as well as y direction, and you can see how it got scaled here. Then we have shear transformation. So in shear transformation, some points will be in the same coordinate space, and some point will get translated. Say for example, we have 3 vertex points here, and if we move only these 2 points to a new location, we can call this as a shear. So this is the old one, and here is the new transformed object. The transformation class acts as a base class for all type of transformation. So JavaFX provides a transformation class which will be the base class for all type of transformation, and this transformation class provides common method and properties which is applicable for all the transformation. So all the transformation in the sense whether it is translate or rotate or scale. So if some properties are common for this transformation, that will be provided in the transformation class itself. In this subseries, we will learn most commonly used translate, rotate and scale transformation, and we are leaving the shear transformation for you to learn yourself. But when you get to know about the translate, rotate and scale, you will get a good idea of how to perform a transformation in JavaFX. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. There is no demo in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.